YouTube sisters. So the theme this week is what's in my blank or what's on my blank. So I'm going to be doing a what's on my phone. Here's my phone. I have a HTC SV1 if you're wondering, and it's like this. It looks really cool. And yeah, so I'm showing what apps I have on here, what I use them for, and like which ones are my favourite ones and stuff. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, then give it a thumbs up. So this is my lock screen. Yeah, it's just a picture of Niall Horan because he's the Bay. Of course he is. Who else would be the Bay? It's Niall. Yeah, okay, well, it's gone off. And then you just like swipe. This is my home screen. It's a picture of me and my friend. So it's Hannah, me, and Baxter, her dog. Oh, and yeah, it's quite cool. So here I have Twitter. You can follow us on Twitter. I don't think I'm on our Twitter. I think I'm on my own. Oh, yes, I'm on my own. You can follow me on Twitter. It's Kira Small X_. Or you can follow us on YouTube Sisters, which I think we would all really like, and that's _YouTube Sisters. We only have 10 followers, so I'm pretty sure if you guys followed us, we would tweet more because we don't really tweet that much on there. So follow us on there, and also follow all the other girls' Twitter. Shona's is little_9075. Megan's is all-time Megan. I'm just looking at the feed. Rachel's I think is like Rach something. I'll leave it all in down bar. So then we've got Instagram, and we don't have like a YouTube Sisters Instagram, but just pretend we do. But you can follow me on Instagram. It's _Kira Small. This is _RachXO_. Shona's is Planet Shona. I think Megan's is Yumia Megan, or yeah, I think it's Megan's is Yumia Megan. Oh my god, she's got Zoella stuff. And Imogen's is It's Imogen XX. I'll leave them in the down bar so you can just go check them out like that. Then we have YouTube, and obviously you're on YouTube, so don't forget to subscribe. Then I have Kick, and that's where all the all the discussions of the theme of the weeks go on. Then I have Blinkbox Music, which is basically a station thing, and you can like pick any station. Wait for it to load. So yeah, basically at the moment I listen to top 40 songs in here, and then you just kind of you can play it. It's really good, and then you can go on the next song, which is Glow, and then you can also go back to what previous songs you've played. So it's pretty good, and it's free as well, and you kind of get a good limitation to what songs. So I do recommend this app. I'm going to pause that now. Then I have Spotify, which is also the other song app I use. And you can follow me on here. It's Life as Kira. No, it's My Life as Kira. And yeah, so that's that. And then finally I have Snapchat, which is, I do have a private Snapchat, so sorry about that. I have Vine, and I think my name on Vine is Kira Small. So if you really want to go and check that out, then you can. So at the bottom here, these like apps here, I don't know if you can see that. I have Gmail, Messages, Google, and the camera. So then swiping across here, I just have this Google kind of thing. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, there we go. I have Lookout, Notes, my Vodafone, and then here I just have this social thing, which basically if anyone comments on my video, subscribes to me, anything like that, I get it here. Email, so yeah, you know, kind of that thing. Then I have a countdown of things that are coming up. I'm so excited for all those things. Then moving across here, I just have this like clock thing, which basically says the weather and the number, and yeah, okay. And I have BBM and Tumblr. My BBM is personal, but my Tumblr is My Life as Kira, I believe, or it might be Life as Kira. We do not out on there. And all the other girls have Tumblr too, so I'll also leave their names in the down bar. I don't have any followers on there, by the way. So onto the menu is where all my apps are own on there. So the top 4 ones are 6, not 4. Are ones that come with it, so I don't know if you can really see that, but there's mail, calendar, gallery, settings, Play Store, and people's contacts, so yeah. Then I have 3 folders down here. Not that one. The first one is media, and in that folder I have YouTube, music, camera, watch, play music, play movies and TV, play music, tune in radio, FM radio, play books, SoundHound, play newsstand, 7 digital. And I don't really use them apart from YouTube, but like my phone made that folder up. Second one is Google, and it has all the Google apps in, so Google, Google Plus, Hangouts, Photos, Navigation, Local, News and Weather, Voice Search, Gmail, Play, Games, Chrome and Maps. And this comes with the phone, all these Google apps. Don't worry, I didn't download them all because they're probably a massive waste of space, but yeah. Then the last folder, this is what the emojis I've used. I don't like this app. No, it just has such boring stuff in stocks, car, tips and help and best deals. I don't use those apps ever, so that's why they're in there. Then moving along here, the first app I have is folder is productivity. Again, there's internet, notes, phone, messages, Dropbox, Polaris, Office, tasks and PDF viewer. Don't use them either. Tools, calculator, flashlight, weather, downloads, setup, voice recorder, flash player settings and notifications. Have to admit, flashlight is such a helpful app. Oh, look at this, shining on me. Like, especially if you're in the dark. That app. I have social, so it has all my social media apps in, and there's Instagram, Tumblr, Kik, Vine, BBM, Snapchat and Twitter. Again, Twitters, Tumblrs and Instagrams will all be left in the description bar, so you can go check them out. Photo editing apps. I only have 3. I don't really edit my photos that much because I'm just like a natural beauty person. Joking. I have Collage, Pixar and Instasize. Instasize is the app I use the most. It's so easy to use and it's really good. So basically you insert a photo and you can like move it around, you can put it up there, and I just normally do it like that. So that's what I use, and then you can also like change the borders, what colour you want them to be. I don't change them. Layers, I don't actually, you can text. And in important, it's basically all the weird important apps I don't want on my phone but I have to have. So there's my Vodafone, and basically if you're with Vodafone, it tracks your monthly contract things. So if you're over on messages, or normally for me it's 3G data, 4G, I have 4G phone, then I can click on that and see if I'm over. Lookout is a security app and it's so good. I really recommend it. It's free. If you ever lose your phone, basically you can track it using the Google Map device if it's turned on, and also you can, if you lose it in your house or something, you can make it scream by logging onto your computer and doing it. So basically you make an account and you log onto your computer, and if you've lost it then you can like do all the different stuff in there. Vodafone, I don't know what that is, never gone on it, so we'll leave that there. Next folder is random, and it's basically random stuff. So I have plus followers, and that is not like getting followers, it's simply ghost followers app, because this is for my second Instagram account. I didn't actually mention this. Alice and Kira blog with 2 G's. Yeah, I don't really tell much people about this account, but also in that folder there's countdown, which is like where I got my countdown from. Pure White Go Keyboard, which is my keyboard. Go Keyboard, which is my emoji keyboard. Google Settings, EA Games, they both came with my phone. X Factor, basically this is really good because you have 5 free votes to use without having to pay for them. Facebook, and the reason my Facebook is in there because it came with my phone. I don't have Facebook, so yeah. The last app folder is called, no, it's that last one, it's called Music. I don't think it is actually. Shazam. Shazam is the best app ever. I've only recently discovered it. I've had it for about a month now. And basically if there's a song you like, you basically touch to Shazam and it listens to it. Obviously I'm talking at the moment, so it's not going to recognise the song. But then it comes up with the song and yeah, boom shakalaka boom. I really like it. That's something that Beth Babbles would say. Okay, right, anyway. Then I have Blinkbox, I showed you before, and Spotify. Spotify, my name is, and then finally is the clock app, which basically is the world clock, and there's like a timer and stuff on there. So that is what's on my phone. It's pretty boring. I don't think this video is going to be that exciting, but I didn't know what video to do, so but that's my phone. Very trendy, I know. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and I'll see you soon. Bye!